Hi, and welcome back to Starving Artist Courses, your all-in-one online music education resource. My name is Kit, and welcome back to week 2 of your piano lesson for Beat It by Michael Jackson. Last week, we worked on finding the chord progression for the verse. So if you missed that video, make sure you check it out, because this week we're going to be looking at the same chords, but playing them in a different way. So let's get started. So if you remember from last week, we had 3 different chords to learn. E flat minor, which is E flat, G flat, and B flat. D flat major, which is D flat, F, and A flat. And then C flat major, or B major, which is B, D sharp, and F sharp. We're going to take these same chords and change the order of the notes, which is also called inverting. So another way I like to explain inverting is that they're the same chord but spelled differently. So for example, a C major chord is usually played like this: C, E, and G, or root, our third, and our fifth. To invert it, all you're going to do is take off the root and move it up top. So now, this is our new C chord, which is E, G, and then C. So one thing I like to do to practice these is to take the same chord and play it all the way up and down the piano in different inversions. So starting here, so on and so forth. And you can do that with any chord on the piano. So on E flat minor, on E flat minor, we can do the same thing. We're going to take the E flat off, move it up here. Do it one more time. We're going to take the G flat off and move it up here. So this is the voicing that we're going to use in Beat It. So this is called E flat minor in second inversion. We're going to do the same thing with all the different chords. D flat major, we're going to take off the D flat, move it up here. Here's first inversion. We're going to take the F off and move it up top here for second inversion. A flat, D flat, and F. B major is going to look like this. Here's your root position: B, D sharp, F sharp. Our first inversion: D sharp, F sharp, B. And our second inversion: F sharp, B, and D sharp. So our new chords are going to sound like this. There's our E flat minor, our D flat major, and our C flat or B major. So let's practice those in context with the chord progression. So starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you remember from last week, that chord progression goes twice. So let's practice it one more time, and we're going to add the left hand. So the left hand isn't going to change from last week. You're still going to play the same 3 root notes: E flat, D flat, and B natural or C flat. So let's try that with the chords. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, again, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it for this week's lesson. Your homework is to practice these inversions as well as inverting any other chords you may have learned from our previous videos. If you need help finding time to practice, make sure you sign up for our mailing list at starvingartistcourses.com, where we'll send you our PDF, Finding Your Rhythm, Making Time for Your Dreams. Next week, we're going to be working on the chorus, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you next week.